wherever you are. So today's video is going to be a updated what's in my nail kit video. Now, when I first enrolled into school, they gave me a book bag which was filled with all the necessary essentials that I'll need to get started in becoming a nail tech. And now it just has blossomed into a whole suitcase under the seat of an airplane storage suitcase scenario type of thing. You get what I'm going with this. Pretty much I have accumulated so much stuff to do nails now that I need a suitcase. So I thought that I would share what's in my nail suitcase with you guys, and in hopes to kind of let you guys know what you'll need as a future nail tech coming up, you know, in this industry. I don't have it all, don't claim to have it all. I just have the necessary basics and things that I would like, so that way I will know what I'm doing when I have stuff on hand when it comes time to do nails and things like that. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that way you never miss another video from me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Bye. Okay, so this is my travel nail kit suitcase that I carry with me on the days that I do go to class. This bag has been really handy. Not only that, obviously it glides with a breeze, so it makes it less stressful. You don't have to carry it, you don't have to lug it around. You just it glides, and it glides very smooth. So as you know, I am in nail tech school, and because this bag is I wouldn't want to say it's small, it's just that I have a lot of crap in there. Therefore, I attach my hand, which is diamond, onto the handle. So therefore, I just kind of leave that open. But you have options. You don't have to do that. You could just zip it up, and then you can carry it like a case if you like. But I don't do that, obviously. So I just kind of store my hand on that ring there, which makes it easier. Also, this is capable for you to charge your phone. You just need a USB plug so that way you can charge it up. So this is a lint roller. I use this when I am doing my stamping. I also do carry some gloves with me when I am working on my nail trainer. Not only that, I also use those gloves to work on actual clients. So I just keep them there just in case I may and may not need them. In this front pocket here, I do have my nail forms in here, which actually need to go inside of the bag. And then I also have paper towels. So at the school that I go to, of course, you know, as a nail technician, you will be running through paper towel quite often. So they ask that you bring your own paper towels so that way you can practice. Now you can get paper towels from the Dollar Tree. You can get it from AutoZone, which are those blue paper towels like the mechanic towels. But I just basically take a nice little chunk off the roll and put it in that front pocket just for storage purposes. As you can see, that I would not be able to fit it any doggone way. So in the front of this is where I keep my nail drill, which is my rechargeable portable nail drill. And then this right here is just all of the practice that I've done with my sets. If you aren't following me on Instagram, you should be, so that way you can kind of see the work that I am doing. Like I said, this is my rechargeable nail drill, and this thing is still charged from when I did my review on it, which was probably some weeks ago. Like I said, I only use it very briefly when I am filing down the nail and the acrylic, and then I just turn it right off. So I would definitely say that I haven't had to charge it in a long time. So I do have a nail file in there, which actually needs to go into the bin that it belongs into. But when I was packing up everything, obviously I missed that. So I also do have some tape. And in this little centerpiece right here, as you see, it snaps, which gives you some more storage. I have my Beetles gel nail polishes. I believe it came in a kit of 24. I will link that down below. I got it off Amazon. So I keep all of those in a Ziploc bag. And then in this Ziploc bag, I have like water decals. I have rhinestones. I have my stiletto nail tips. I have a rhinestone picker. I have some nail brushes. I have some glitters, which I did for my encapsulation. I literally have everything in this bag. So I don't know, it just kind of keeps it organized for me, and I'm able to see through it, so that way I know exactly what I'm looking for. So that's the reason why I put everything in a Ziploc bag. So next I have these stamping polishes that I got from a young lady at my school. She was very sweet enough to give these to me. If you haven't checked out my vlog, I kind of explain how I got these. So make sure that you check that out down below. So this container here houses my buffers, my nail files, nail glue, nail clippers, nippers, scissors, some silk wraps, a cuticle pusher. You know, this is just my container that houses everything there. So next I do also carry a thing of Lysol wipes. Now I know this is hard to get your hands on nowadays because of the COVID-19. But I do carry that just that way I can wipe down some things if I need to. And this is my UV nail lamp that I bought off of Amazon. It's very handy, gets the job done. It's portable, small, so I love it. This is my monomer that I use in class, and actually I need to get a little bit more. This is my acetone that I use in class. This is alcohol. And then of course I have hand sanitizer on deck. I know that's probably hard to get your hands on too, but I have that as well. This mat here I did purchase from school, which is basically like a practice mat. You could practice polishing. You could practice stamping, as you see I did. You can practice your 3D flowers, which I have, and so on and so forth. You can practice designs. This mat comes in handy at all times when you're trying to practice. So these are my nail tips. I did get these nail tips from my local nail supply store. And then these nail tips are actually the McCart's nail tips, which I got from Amazon, and I just bought the case from school so that way I can have a spot to put those in. So next is going to be my practice sheets. Now these sheets I could use to practice laying my acrylic and forming an actual nail on paper, and I could practice polishing. And this one you guys have probably seen. This is from Tammy Taylor. You can practice your 3-ball method, 4-ball method. You can practice picking up balls, and then you can practice your size of the balls that you are going to have to pick up, and so on and so forth. So I carry those sheets with me because, I mean, you can always go back to the basics to make sure that you got it down packed. Inside of this nice little carry case, I do have my nail drill bits. Now I only carry a few nail drill bits with me. You're seeing is how I'm working on Diamond, which is my nail trainer. So I don't need to carry all of those drill bits that I normally would have. So that's why I only just carry that just in case. And I just definitely carry my sanding bands and my mandrel bit, and just so that way I can take the shine off the natural nail. I do also carry some alcohol wipes, which is what I use when I try to get off the sticky layer of the top coat, or if I'm just trying to clean off the dust or debris off the nail. In this bag I have my acrylic powders. I have white, pink, clear. I also have some more nail forms. I have my dapping dishes that I use to put my liquid monomer in there. I have a mask in there. So I just kind of keep all of that stuff in this little Ziploc. And like I said, it makes it easier so that way you can see exactly what you have. In this Ziploc bag I have my stamping plates, which I purchased from Amazon. Not only that, I got the stamper from school. So then this is my buffing block. As you can see, I should have actually threw that away last time, but I only use it on my nail trainer, so that's the reason why I just throw it right back in the bag. But in all actuality, you should be throwing those away after each client. Those are my pedicure slippers. This is a brush for you to clean off the nails of the dust and debris. I do have this acetone that I got from Walgreens, and the only reason that I kept the bottle is because it acts as a cleanup for when you're trying to clean up around the cuticle where you don't have to worry about it. These are my Find sanding bands that I bought from my local nail supply. And see, here's my other buffing block. So I carry a few. Here are my clippers to clip down the size of the nail tips based on what the client wants. These are all of my acrylic brushes. That's my main acrylic brush that I use right here, which is the round sable brush. You should always look for acrylic brushes that are 100% Kolinsky, just as a FYI, because there are some synthetic brushes out there that don't really work too well. So then I have an OPI brush. I have another brush that I got from Cosmo Pro, and I think that's the one that I got from Cosmo Pro right there. And then I got a 3D nail art brush. So yeah, I mean, you can never have too many brushes. I mean, that should be a staple in your nail kit anyway. There's so many sizes you can get, ranges from size 6, 8, 10, 12, and I even have a 20 size 20 Kolinsky brush, which I actually haven't used yet. So next I have some toe separators and 2 pumice blocks. I have some cotton, so that way I can go ahead and take off the nail polish. I do have 5 things of nail polish that were given to me by the school, which I don't really use. And then I also have some top coat and base gel, which I don't use either because I normally use gel. So that's pretty much everything that is in my book bag for when I go to school. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Now it's time to pack all this stuff back in there, but I try to carry as much as I can to school, and if there's something that I need to swap out, then I just take it out. So I just kind of have to have a plan daily when I go in there to kind of know what I'm doing, so that way I know what products to bring to school with me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7, and let me know what other videos you guys want to see down below. Comment, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.